Hi guys, this is the third day in Coorg. We have came to Abbey Fall.
And this falls is between a coffee plantation. On the left and the right there is coffee plantations and there's a path. You have to walk, I think, few steps down. So we'll go and see how's the falls and enjoy the view. We are almost reaching the fall. Oh, there's the falls. Let's go and see. There are a lot of water, no, Ajit?
Yes. Okay.
Wow, beautiful. This is the beautiful waterfall. There's few people, not that crowded because we came early in the morning. There's an old hanging bridge over here which is broken. It's not in use now.
This is the Madikeri Fort.
So we have come to the Madikeri Fort. Here's the fort walls. I don't think so much is there to show. There's an elephant statue here, so we'll go and see. So here we are at the government museum, just near to the fort, and photography wasn't allowed inside, so we couldn't take much. We just saw it. It's a one-time place, you can come and see.
So this was our last destination in Coorg. Now we are going back to Bangalore. Let's go.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.